What's up guys? For today's video I have an Adidas NMD XR1 Prime Knit pickups video. This actually is my first pair of triple blacks in anything by Adidas, so I'm really excited about these. And here they are, obviously the standard NMD box, and then here they are right here. I love these and they are my first pair of black boost, and I'm actually super impressed of the black boost, and it's actually my first time seeing black boost in person. Now these NMDs are way more comfortable than any of the other pairs I do have of them, and I have never had them with the cage, so that could be why. But I did go half a size down on these. Everyone says when you get the Prime Knit pairs to go half a size down, so that's what I did. I normally wear a 10, but I went to a 9.5 in these, but I actually did pick these up in a 9.5, 10, and 10.5 because I am savage and am going to be selling the other pairs. For myself, I went with the 9.5 though. Like I said, they got this nice caging on the side, and then they have this little alteration to the pull tab that's on the back. It has the regular NMD one, but then they added in this little like caging system almost for it. Don't know what you would call that though. Then also has the black boost, like I previously stated, and then the black cage. And then on the top it has like this pattern to it with like these grayish lines. So that's the only part of the shoe that really isn't black, and then obviously the red that's on the heel. But that's basically the shoe in its entirety. It is super comfortable, like I said, so if you're wanting to pick this up, I would definitely go half a size down. I would not pay anything too crazy over retail though, because I've seen on eBay some people were trying to get 300. I don't think it's worth that. It goes for like 220 to 250-ish all day right now on eBay. But that was the entire shoe, and I would definitely recommend it, so pick it up if you can. I doubt it's still in the mall. You could definitely go check, doesn't hurt to try it, because they did sell out almost instantly on Finish Line this morning and Foot Locker. They were sitting, I think, on Journeys for a little bit. I believe they're sold out now. I randomly just walked into the mall later in the day because we planned on going when the mall opened to get these, but I was unsure if it was a raffle, so I didn't want to risk driving over an hour for it to have been a raffle. So when we went to the mall, just randomly walked in, and they just put them out 10 minutes before we got there. And as we were leaving, I seen other people picking it up, and the line was already, it looks like it was forming. So you might be out of luck if you didn't get them already, but I believe they are coming back online on Adidas, because I did see that in an email. But if you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you check out all my other videos, and I'll check you in the next video. Thanks for watching.